24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Singular plural. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you're doing well. Very warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Singular and plural is another concept of English grammar. Learning objective. Students should be able to identify singular and plural nouns. Recall. Do an activity in the class. Hold one pencil in your hand and say, "This is a pencil." Then hold more than one pencil and say, "These are pencils." Do the same with duster, pen, bag, etc. Introduction. Draw some pictures on the board such as cup, butterfly, duck, etc. Explain that a singular noun tells us about one thing and plural noun tells us about more than one thing. Singular means one, plural means more than one. Tell the students that we add s at the end of the word to make it plural. For example, school, schools, door, doors. Read. Make two columns on the board and write as given below. Read and repeat with the whole class. Singular, plural. Cup, cups. Pencil, pencils. Desk, desks. Window, windows. Boy, boys. Bottle, bottles. Recognition. Divide the whole class into 3 teams. A, B, C. Draw 4 columns on the board like this. Singular, plural, Team A, Team B, Team C. In the column of singular, write boy, girl, pen, pencil, chair, book, chalk, bag, board, fan. Ask each team to come to the board and write the plurals of 3 words. For each correct plural, they score 1 point. Review and writing. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.